Hello there, Pat Minner here. We're discussing folding knives, hunting or self-defense knives, whatever you choose to call it. This is a knife that I paid about $150 for about 10 years ago. It's a Benchmade, lifetime warranty, folding fighting knife, utility knife, has a partial serrated edge, and an eye for one-hand opening. And it's a great knife. I'm not taking anything away from it. It's 150 bucks. Now let's talk reputation. Let's talk legend for a moment. Here is a buck 110 folder, and been around for a lot of years. Let's compare the size. Running pretty close to the same. A little different shaped blade, a little easier to open and close one-handed. This closes much nice like the Benchmade. This knife here is a legend. This knife about 150 bucks. This knife you can buy at Walmart for about 40 bucks. Heavy, real deal, brass. Can use it for a weapon closed. Or this knife is not so heavy, not so versatile in a lot of different uses. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter. You can get them at Walmart for maybe 30 bucks. Okay, so this is a one-hand opening. Pretty easy to do. 150 bucks. This knife about 40 bucks. Step back here and see if I can open it. Just grab it right here. Put it closed and snap it open. Ready to go. One hand. This knife here is a legend. Very well made. Made in America. Very great knife. So you make the choice. $150, 30 plus tax. They both come from the factory, razor sharp. You make the choice, but USA through and through. Buck 110 folding hunting knife. Very versatile, very good knife. So just wanted to share that with you.